हाय पेरेंट्स, मीनाक्षी हियर। और आज हमारा टॉपिक है कि हम बच्चों को वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करें। हम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स की बात कर रहे हैं एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन की वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स के। ओके, जब हम बच्चों को मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ाते हैं, +1 पढ़ाते हैं, पिक्चर एडिशन पढ़ाते हैं, पिक्चर सब्ट्रैक्शन पढ़ाते हैं, तो हम बच्चों को कैसे सिखाते हैं? ऐड एवरीथिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6। नो, डोंट डू लाइक दिस. You should always start with storytelling. For each row you should tell story that there, for example, if there are 5 Mickeys, so there were 5 Mickeys in a castle. They were playing there, and one Mickey also added, one of the friend also added. Then how many Mickeys are here? So you should always say, for each problem you should always tell them stories. In each and every video you will see that I'm saying the same thing. I'm saying the same thing because it is very important. For each and every concept you should tell children stories, so that they imagine these numbers, they imagine these signs, everything in stories, and maths become very easy for them. Okay, so when you tell them there were 5 Mickeys and you add one more to get 6, okay, then introduce to them this plus sign. Plus means one more is there, and when you have less, for example this is less, so you say one is went away, one went away. So because he was very sad, he fought with his friends and he went away. Then how many are left? Okay, so you cut one and then count the rest. So what are we doing? Actually, we are telling them the stories they are going to have in their word problems. That there were 3 friends and one went away. There were 3 apples, one fell down. How many are there on the trees? So you can, if there are apples, say if there are apples in the story, this row, and you can tell them there were 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There were 3 or 6. There were 6 apples on a tree and one apple fell down, for example, or one more apple grown. So how many apples are there now? Okay, so what you have done? One more apple. One fell down. Fell down means one is gone up, gone. When one is gone, tell them this is the minus for gone. One is gone, one is gone. -1. One is gone, -1. 2 are gone, -2. 3 are gone, -3. 1 is added, -1, +1. 2 are added, +2. Show them this +1. See, 1 is added, +1. Don't go very fast. One more is there. So you should introduce all these words. One more is there. So if there were say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there were 7 Mickeys, for example, or there were 7 anything, like if there were 7 dolls in a doll house. They were friends and there were 7 dolls, and her mom bought her one more doll. Or one doll has very bad hair, so her mom threw that doll. So this was the sum of minus, so you just keep this minus. So you just she will subtract 1, so she will know when to take away, and you should show them the minus sign. You should show them -1, when to write -1, when to write -2. Whenever you do any sum with them, any easy sum like these in UKG class or in LKG class or in UKG class, when they are not yet doing word problems, okay, you should always tell them in this way. You should tell them these words like more, less, added to, or one more increased, or one is a plus sign. They all are together. These all are together. Then how many are there? So if one left, the word left, okay, or one decreased, increase and decrease can also be introduced. So they can be, because they have to be in, these words can be in your stories. Like I have written more, right? Increase, decrease, or subtract word can be used, or one is taken away. He saw 15 cartoons or 5 cartoons in a day, and mom told her to watch one less. So how many cartoons she should see now? So this can be one of the word problem, but this should not be seen as word problem. 5 cartoons can be see these are 5 cartoons. Make any figure, and her mom told her to see, not to see so many, so she to see one less. Okay, so give them problems like this. Okay, you can use blocks, 5 blocks, instead of using these figures. You can use any 5 blocks they must have in their games. So you can always use those blocks to add and subtract, and besides them keep a copy, so that you can write +1, -1, 5 + 1, 6 + 1, 6 - 1, 5 - 1, whatever is the sum you can keep with them. And most important thing is, बच्चों को प्लस साइन समझाना है, माइनस साइन दिखाना है। जब भी आप कराएंगे, हर प्रॉब्लम्स को आप स्टोरी सम की तरह देंगे, स्टोरीज़ की तरह सुनाएंगे। हर रो के लिए एक अलग स्टोरी या सेम स्टोरी भी चल सकती है एक दिन में, और हर रो के लिए वो स्टोरी बोल दीजिए। दे विल बी वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड, और आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से आंसर देंगे, और आपसे क्वेश्चन भी पुट अप कर सकते हैं। पेरेंट्स हर रोज़ ऐसे कीजिएगा। जब भी ऐसे करते हैं, समझाते हैं, कम समझाइए बट रोज़ समझाइए। रिपीटेशन इज़ द की। अगर बच्चे को समझ भी आ गया है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप फटाफट से दूसरे कॉन्सेप्ट पहुंच जाएंगे, नो। अगर बच्चे को समझ भी आ गया है तब भी आप उसको रोज़ स्टोरी सम से समझाइएगा, क्योंकि क्लास 1 से लेके क्लास यूकेजी से लेके क्लास 5 तक उन्होंने ऐसे वाले बहुत सारे स्टोरी सम्स करने हैं। तो एवरी डे टेल देम विद द स्टोरीज़। हर रोज़ अगर बच्चे को समझ भी आ गया है, और रिपीटिशन, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, रिपीटिशन इज़ द की। यू हैव टू रिपीट टू देम अगेन एंड अगेन till they internalize all the concept of plus minus and all the signs of plus and minus. I hope this video solves your issue of how to introduce word problem with them before going to class 1. Okay, or if they are in class 1 and if they are finding any problem, and do write to me your issues, or if any video you want to me to make for you. Okay, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस पसंद आती हैं तो मुझे सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, और दूसरे पेरेंट्स का शेयर करें, ताकि वो भी इन वीडियोस का फ़ायदा उठा सकें, वो भी अपनी लर्निंग्स को बढ़ा सकें और अपने बच्चों तक पहुंचा सकें। यही हमारा उद्देश्य है। थैंक यू सो मच। बाय बाय।